has been facing intense scrutiny and online attacks ever since Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. Most recently, the producer-director was under fire again after accusations were made that banned substances were consumed at his home last year during a house party. These are the 4 latest updates in the matter as the NCB continues its investigation. First update. Karan Johar returns to Mumbai from Goa with kids and mother Hiru Johar. Karan Johar, who had flown to Goa recently with kids and mother Hiru Johar, has returned to Mumbai with his family. The NCB's involvement has proven to be a setback for Karan again, who has issued a statement categorically denying all the allegations being made against him. No narcotic substance was consumed in the party. I would like to unequivocally once again state that I do not consume narcotics and I do not promote or encourage consumption of any substance, Johar stated in his lengthy statement. Second update. Kshitij Ravi Prasad in NCB custody till October 3rd. The NCB have arrested Kshitij Ravi Prasad and have sought his custody till October 3rd. The executive producer is accused of possessing and peddling banned substances. According to reports, when the NCB raided Kshitij's apartment, they found a small quantity of banned substance in his home. However, while entering the NCB office for questioning, Kshitij ने बाहर खड़े मीडिया के सामने ये दावा किया कि उन्हें फ्रेम किया जा रहा है. Karan Johar and Dharma Productions have also distanced themselves from Kshitij, with Karan stating in his statement, "Neither I nor Dharma Productions can be made responsible for what people do in their personal lives," while adding that Kshitij was not an existing employee of the production house. Third update. The video filmed by Karan Johar at a house party last year is authentic. In what may come as a brief reprieve to Karan Johar, उनके घर पे लिए गए पार्टी वीडियो को फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट ने ऑथेंटिक और अनएडिटेड बताया है. न्यूज रिपोर्ट्स के मुताबिक एनसीबी ऑफिशियल्स ने ये क्लैरिफाई किया है कि 2019 में ऑर्गेनाइज की गई इस हाउस पार्टी का सुशांत के केस से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. Karan has also added in his statement that उन पे लगाए गए सारे इल्जाम बेबुनियाद और गलत हैं. Fourth update. Punjab politician who had demanded investigation into the video has issued another threat to Karan Johar on social media. While the forensic report may have given Karan Johar and his high-profile friends something to be happy about, it seems that Shiromani Akali Dal leader Majinder Singh Sirsa, who had demanded an investigation into the party, isn't ready to back down just yet.
जो तुम नोटिस दे के हमें डराने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, टीवी चैनल्स को डराने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, तुम कानूनी कार्रवाई करोगे. कानूनी कार्रवाई तुम नहीं करोगे, कानूनी कार्रवाई तुम पर होगी. एनसीबी तुम्हारे पे कानूनी कार्रवाई करेगी.
Reacting to Karan's statement expressing his displeasure at the repeated allegations against him in the media, Mr. Sirsa posted a social media post where he said, Karan Johar बॉलीवुड के कार्टेल का किंग पिन है. वो खुद को कानून से ऊपर समझता था. वह मुझे और न्यूज चैनलों को लीगल एक्शन लेने की धमकी दे रहा था. लीगल एक्शन तो होगा और करण जौहर पर होगा अब. गेट रेडी फॉर #coffee with NCB Karan Johar.